What if I told you the perfect laptop doesn't exist, but the right one for you does? Today we're diving into the top 5 best laptops right now, handpicked for performance, style, and value. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget, all links are in the description for you. The number 5 product on our list is ACEMAGIC LX15Pro Laptop. Powerful laptops don't always come with a heavy price tag, and the ACEMAGIC LX15 Pro proves it. Running on the AMD R7 5700U with 8 cores and 16 threads, it handles multitasking and light gaming with surprising ease. The 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB NVMe SSD ensure blazing fast load times, giving you that peace of mind when deadlines hit. Its thin bezel FHD display paired with Radeon graphics brings visuals to life whether you're editing photos or streaming. Built with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, it stays connected without lag. Tested in real-world comfort, it feels like a smart, reliable companion for students and professionals. If you're searching for performance and value in one sleek package, this machine stands tall among today's strongest contenders. At number 4 is Omnica Y10 Pro Laptop. Sometimes it's the unexpected contenders that redefine value, and the Omnica Y10 Pro is one of them. With its Intel i5 8210Y processor and 16GB RAM, it tackles multitasking smoothly, giving users a sense of relief when switching between demanding apps. The 16-inch FHD display offers crisp visuals and a roomy 16:10 ratio, making it a practical tool for editing, streaming, or office work. Storage won't feel limiting either, thanks to a speedy 512GB SSD with expansion options for those who need more. The slim design, backlit keyboard, and Windows 11 Pro add layers of everyday convenience. While it isn't built for heavy gaming or ultra-pro workflows, it stands tall among the smart, budget-friendly choices of today, delivering reliable performance with real-world comfort. The third one on our list is ASUS Vivobook Go Slim Laptop. What if budget didn't have to mean compromise? The ASUS Vivobook Go Slim proves that point with style. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 3 7320U and paired with Radeon graphics, it delivers fluid multitasking for browsing, streaming, and even light creative work. The 15.6-inch FHD display, while not the brightest in class, still feels vibrant enough for daily tasks and content. Add 8GB RAM and a 256GB SSD. And you've got smooth performance with space for essentials. The 11-hour battery life adds peace of mind, while the privacy shutter on the webcam builds trust for professionals. It's lightweight, practical, and surprisingly polished, tested in real-world comfort for students and remote workers. While power users may crave more, this is a smart, safe pick in today's competitive laptop lineup. On number 2 is ASUS ROG Strix G16 Gaming Laptop. Power, style, and precision, this machine doesn't just play games, it dominates them. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is built for those who demand more than average performance, featuring Intel's Core Ultra 9 paired with an RTX 5070 Ti that turns every frame into an experience. Its 240Hz Nebula display feels cinematic yet razor sharp for competitive gameplay, while 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD ensure speed isn't just promised, it's delivered. The advanced cooling system keeps performance steady even during marathon sessions, something tested in real-world comfort. Yes, it's not the lightest laptop out there, but that's the trade-off for unmatched gaming horsepower. For creators, gamers, and professionals who crave raw speed with premium design, this is a smart, future-proof investment. Now, moving to the last one is Apple MacBook Air 13-inch laptop. Lightweight doesn't have to mean limited, and the MacBook Air 13 proves that beautifully. With Apple's M4 chip at its core, this sleek machine turns everyday multitasking into a smooth, effortless flow, whether you're editing content, streaming, or managing multiple apps at once. Its 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display delivers breathtaking visuals with crisp detail and lifelike colors, making creative work feel inspiring. Add in up to 18 hours of battery life and you get reliability that feels like peace of mind. Sure, it may not match the raw muscle of the Pro lineup, but for students, professionals, and creators who value portability and performance, it's a balanced, budget-friendly choice. Tested in real-world comfort, it's a laptop that truly delivers where it matters most. Among all the winner is Apple MacBook Air 13-inch laptop, delivering unmatched balance of power, portability, and everyday reliability. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best laptops right now. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.